BNB is currently trading at approximately $644, with a slight dip of 0.8% in the past day. The price has stayed above the critical support level of $622, while encountering selling pressure near the $663 resistance line. This positioning suggests a tug-of-war between buyers and sellers as the market tests this key resistance. The MACD remains positive, but the bullish momentum appears to be weakening. The RSI is neutral, signaling that BNB is neither overbought nor oversold at this point. The on-balance volume shows limited aggressive selling from institutional players, indicating a relatively calm consolidation period. Investors are watching closely as BNB's price action reveals a pattern of higher lows, which could signal a potential breakout if the $663 level is cleared. Analysts describe this as a phase of uncertainty, where BNB is searching for a new market trajectory. The next key signal will be whether BNB can hold above $644 or if it retreats below $622, which could shift investor sentiment. Meanwhile, the BNB Chain team has launched the BNBAgent SDK on the mainnet. This new development kit allows developers to build AI-driven blockchain agents, supporting authentication, payments, and trading functions. The SDK's activation is a strategic move to integrate AI into blockchain infrastructure, aiming to streamline decentralized applications. This initiative aligns with broader efforts to enhance BNB Chain's efficiency and scalability. The SDK's deployment on the mainnet marks a concrete step in BNB Chain's roadmap to support AI-driven innovation. Developers can now leverage this toolset to build more advanced and automated blockchain applications, which could attract new users and developers to the platform. The integration. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Of AI into blockchain infrastructure has the potential to improve automation, security, and user experience across decentralized ecosystems. However, the success of this initiative will depend on adoption rates and the practical use cases that emerge from the BNBAgent SDK. The BNB Chain team has also emphasized its focus on quantum-resistant security measures. While details are sparse, the mention of quantum security suggests a forward-looking approach to future-proofing the blockchain against emerging threats. This focus could differentiate BNB Chain from other blockchains in the long term, especially as quantum computing becomes more accessible. However, the market's immediate reaction to these security enhancements has been muted, with most attention still on the price action and technical indicators. The combination of AI and quantum security initiatives positions BNB Chain as a platform aiming for both innovation and resilience. Investors and developers are now watching whether these strategic moves will translate into tangible improvements in user adoption and market performance. The next key signal will be whether the BNBAgent SDK attracts a significant number of developers and if the quantum security features gain traction in the broader blockchain community. Until then, the focus remains on the price action and whether BNB can stabilize above the $644 level or face a potential decline below $622. The stakes are clear. If BNB can maintain its position above $644, it may regain bullish momentum and test the $663 resistance with renewed confidence. Conversely, a drop below $622 could trigger a more significant correction, potentially testing lower support levels and increasing volatility. The OBV metric's current neutrality suggests that institutional selling pressure is not yet a major concern, but any sharp increase in large volume trades could signal a shift in market sentiment. In terms of mechanisms, the BNBAgent SDK introduces a new layer of functionality by enabling AI-driven agents to perform tasks autonomously on the blockchain. This could lead to more seamless and efficient interactions within the BNB Chain ecosystem, from automated trading bots to self-executing smart contracts. The potential for such tools to reduce friction and increase utility is a strong point in favor of the platform's long-term vision. However, the effectiveness of these tools will depend on how well they are adopted by developers and how they integrate into existing systems. The quantum security focus, while still in early stages, represents a proactive effort to address future vulnerabilities. As quantum computing advances, traditional cryptographic methods may. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Become obsolete, and blockchains that fail to adapt could face serious risks. BNB Chain's early emphasis on quantum resistance could give it a competitive edge, but it remains to be seen how this will be implemented and whether it will provide measurable benefits in the near term. In summary, the BNB market is at a crossroads. On one hand, the price action suggests a cautious but stable environment, with the potential for a breakout if buyers step in at the right time. On the other hand, the technological developments surrounding AI and quantum security represent a forward-thinking approach that could pay off in the long run. Investors are advised to monitor both the technical levels and the broader adoption of these innovations, as they may shape the trajectory of BNB in the coming months.